Hello everyone, today I'm going to share you about the top shortcut key using in Excel. These are the most used of shortcut key in Excel. Let's go and start together. Shift plus F1 means what is it? When you want to know something, you can use this one, it can help you. Shift plus F2 means edit cell command. Shift plus F3 means pass the function into the formulas. Shift plus F4 means search next. Shift plus F5 means find. Shift plus F6 means previous panel. Shift plus F8 means add to the selection. Shift plus F9 means calculate the activate worksheet. Shift plus F10 means pop up menu display. Shift plus F11 means new spreadsheet. Shift plus F12 means save. Here look another control plus colon means insert the current time. Control plus semicolon means insert the current date. Control plus quote means copy the value of the cell above. Control plus single quote means copy the formula from the cell above. Control plus F3 means set name. Control plus F4 means close. Control plus F5 means XL side of the restore window. Control plus F6 means next workbook window. Control plus Shift plus F6 means previous workbook window. Control plus F7 means move window. Control plus F8 means resize window. Control plus F9 means minimize the workbook. Control plus F10 means maximize or restore window. Control plus F11 means insert 4.0 macro sheet. Control plus F1 means open file. Alt plus F1 means insert a graph. Alt plus F2 means save as. Alt plus F4 means output. Alt plus F8 means macro dialog. Alt plus F11 means Visual Basic Editor. Control plus Shift plus F3 means create a name using the names of row and column labels. Control plus Shift plus F6 means previous window. Control plus Shift plus F12 means printing. Control plus Shift plus F1 means new spreadsheet. Alt plus Shift plus F2 means save. So look here next. Alt plus equal means total sum. Alt plus control plus apostrophe means toggle value or display of the formula. Control plus Shift plus A means insert the achievement names in the formulas. Alt plus down arrow means automatic view list. Alt plus single quote means format style dialog. Control plus Shift plus tilde means general format. So everyone, here at the end, have you got anyone? You can drop in comment and don't forget to subscribe one for me.